Welcome to PaperCall. This short video will walk you through some of the key features of our PaperCall program and help you get your first campaign up and running in no time at all. Let's get started. Each time you log in, you will see your home page. Here's where you'll see a quick stats summary of how your campaigns are performing and any notifications such as pending publisher applications. With our PaperCall program, you can create as many campaigns as you want for different products and services, seasonal campaigns, and more. To get started, click Create New Campaign. The campaign overview is where you will describe your company and your campaign details. This is what publishers will see when they sign up. Feel free to provide additional information such as search bidding restrictions and any other promotional guidance you want to communicate. Most PaperCall campaigns are ongoing, but you can also set an expiration date for your campaigns. This is great for things like seasonal promotions. With powerful call treatment options, you define the caller's experience, from something as simple as connecting them directly to your call center, or asking callers a few questions and sending them SMS messages. Let's start with a basic call treatment example. First, we'll want to record each call. Your callers will hear the standard "this call may be recorded" at the start of the call, and you'll be able to play those calls back from your reports. Then let's ask callers if they're calling for sales or customer support. In this case, you'll probably want to pay publishers a commission on sales calls but not support calls. You'll be able to set the hours of operation for your call center and any regional targeting. For the hours of operation, we're going to set the hours to when you have live operators answering the phones. You will also be able to define commissions based on this setting. On the regional targeting, we'll set this up as a national campaign. Now let's talk about payouts. You can customize your pricing to help you achieve your target ROI objectives, and here's how we recommend you do it. Let's say your average order value online is $400, and you pay publishers 10% of that, or $40 per order. If your call center has a conversion rate of 50%, and the average order value is the same or higher, you should be willing to pay roughly $20 per order. Let's go ahead and set that as the target payout rate, but include a few qualifiers. Let's face it, this is performance marketing, and not all calls or leads are created equally. So let's plan accordingly. You'll pay $5 for calls that last over 1 minute, where the caller pressed 1 for sales, and only if the call came in during your hours of operation. Then let's add a bonus of $15 for calls that met your base criteria and also lasted 5 minutes. Let's make sure you don't pay for any repeat callers within the same 30-day window. Your campaigns aren't complete without your branding associated with them. Our creative library can host all of your campaign creatives. You can upload everything from text to banners, video, and more. And the best part is you don't need to worry about inserting phone numbers. We'll take care of that for you. Before pushing your campaign live, you'll want to decide which publishers have visibility to your campaign and how you want to handle their applications. You have the option of making your campaign available to all publishers or only the ones you invite. And you may also automatically approve every application or review them and approve them manually. Now that you've created your campaign, you can review the details and place test calls to ensure the caller's experience is exactly the way you want it. Once it looks good, simply hit Go Live, and publishers will be able to start applying to promote your campaign. You may notice when you first set up your campaign that it says your campaign is not yet web integrated. Setting this up is as simple as pasting a tracking code on your website, and we can help you with that. And you'll want to set this up since it will allow your publisher's phone numbers to follow the consumer when they've clicked through to your site. Okay, so your campaign is now live. Here's how publishers will see your campaign and apply to it. Publishers can sort campaigns by category, payout amounts, or EPCs. They'll also see a green check mark for campaigns that are web integrated. When they're ready to apply to a campaign, they'll simply click on the campaign name. They will agree to the terms of your campaign and then hit Apply. Once you've approved them, they can activate unique numbers to use in their promotions, and we'll help them by putting their phone numbers into your approved creative. Once your campaigns are up and running and the calls start coming in, check out our real-time reporting to see how your campaigns are performing. You'll see a summary for each campaign and can get the details for each call as well. Playing back calls can be done with just a click. Customize your reports by clicking the Customize icon and add any fields you'd like to see. You can also download your reports to a CSV or Excel file, or use our reporting API to pull transaction data into your own reporting interface. Congratulations! You're now on your way to increasing your revenue with high-quality calls. If you have any questions, you can always click the Help tab for more information or to send us any feedback.